Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. So I just made it to the property, coming up to just spend one night. And the reason why I'm coming up is I was doing some research on getting the permits to build the cabin and everything. And I found out that we actually have a septic and drain field that has been here for a long time. And I didn't know that actually when I bought the property. That's not how it was worded. So that is a huge win on our part. So I'm gonna find it. I'm pretty sure I know where it's at, but right now I'm just gonna get the camper ready because like I said, I'm gonna be spending the night. And it is it's raining pretty good right now. So, but the weather's warm and it's great to be back up on the property. So I'm gonna get everything all set up and get this soiree going. All right, it looks like the tarp is done pretty good with the camper. Nothing seems to be wet or anything, so I'm gonna pull the tarp off and set the camper up. And another thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spend more time kind of walking the property because I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a yurt on here or build a cabin. So today's gonna be kind of a day to figure out what I'm putting in. So anyway, let me get to work. Alrighty, so having a good time now. So this rain is something else. But Pacific Northwest, what do you expect? So I have the awning set up on the camper, and I went ahead and just left the tarp kind of over the camper because it's raining pretty good. Right now I'm going to walk over and I'm going to look at the area where I'm pretty sure the existing septic tank is. Like I say, this was a surprise. We didn't know that this actually had a septic tank and drain field already on it, so that was like a bonus. So that was like super cool. So I'm gonna head over that way and I'll show you where the area that I'm talking about. All right, now I'm over at the area where the septic tank is supposed to be, and I'll show you kind of where it's at. Hopefully I can find it right away. It's not too easy. Here's the old tank of some sort that they left on the property. I think it's concrete, I'm not sure. But anyway, so supposedly the tank is, I want to say it's like right down around here somewhere. I'm gonna have to get a shovel and find it. And the drain field supposedly shoots off this way, but we have like massive amounts of blackberries that I have to deal with and wait until I don't know, until it dries out maybe. But anyway, the drain field supposedly shoots off straight this way, so it's kind of hard to tell right now. But I'm going to be looking for a pipe of some sort sticking up and grab a shovel and get the digging. So I'm not seeing anything too obvious. I do see a pipe right there of some sort. I'm not sure what that's all about. But anyway, kind of cool. So, there's these pipes like right here. And I'm not sure if this is the marker of what it is, if it's marking the start where the septic tank is or what it is. So that's what I need to find out. And this one right here. So hopefully it's like right here. I don't know. We'll see. So the search begins, continues. So hopefully I can find this pretty easy. I got a drawing, a blueprint, which I'll show you. I'm getting ready to show you the area where I think it is, and I'll walk you on it, on the path too. But so supposedly, I know this is probably kind of bad. I'll try to post it on there if I can figure out how to do it from my phone onto when I edit the video. But right here, it's from the road 40 feet. And so anyway, I'll walk you along that path. All right, so here's where the road is, and this is the driveway, and it's supposed to be like 40 feet, and I'm thinking it's right where this white piece of plastic is, and it looks like something's being dug up. I could be wrong, but I'm going to double check. So I'm going to kind of dig a little area right here, and hopefully I hit the tank. Oh my goodness, I think I already hit it. All right, so now we have a tank. Awesome, so I found the tank. Now I'm just going to dig a little bit deeper and see if it's concrete. I'm hoping it's concrete and not metal. I think it's concrete, but anyway, we'll see. That's cool. It's super cool. So right there's the stub that comes up where the inlet is. And so I just need to dig around here a little bit more. And then, yeah, just try to see how deep it is. And but yeah, that's super, super cool. I know this is probably not very exciting to some people, but to me this is like super exciting, and I'm grateful. This was like totally lucky, because the description for the property when we bought it, it said basically that it just had an application for a septic, but I think somebody read it wrong, the real estate agent or something. So it still works great for us. So now we just gonna have to get it all checked out and everything, make sure it's still functional, but I'm pretty sure it is. So that's cool. So I'm gonna get to digging and see if it's concrete or if it's metal. Hopefully concrete, like I said.